Hey folks, sunshine, really warming temperatures across the area again today, as you would expect for the early to middle part of August. Right now, we're still in the 90s across most of the valley, still 105 in Rio Grande City. The heat advisory in effect for all the temperatures in the 90s because over here the humidity's lower. Over here the humidity is higher, so it feels just as hot. 92 in Port Isabel, 93 in Brownsville. Dew points, you can see the difference. Dew point out here only in the mid 60s, even up into north of Edinburgh. The airport, remember, is north of town out there. That's where that thermometer is. Dew points a little lower out in the ranch land, but then you get into the populated part of the valley and you're looking at 70 to 78 dew points. We'll still put an average of about 71 on the muggy meter, but most areas are above that. So we're certainly up into the really humid stuff out there. Low temperatures tonight, about 80 or so, 82 in McAllen, 80 in Weslaco, mainly clear and breezy. The beach bottoms out at about 83 degrees. And then tomorrow, right back up where we were this afternoon, maybe a degree or two hotter. 100 to 105 across the area. And you look at Brownsville, 97, South Padre, 89, south to southeast winds at 15 to 25. So another windy day across the area as well. The average high for this time of year is 97. We're going to stay above that. 100, 101, 102. That 102 pretty close to the record on Monday, so we'll be watching that. Again today, your First 105 Doppler network has been quiet, just gathering dust. That's about it. Overnight tonight, it stays quiet. Future Track does show some late night, early morning clouds, but during the daytime tomorrow, mostly sunny, breezy. That's what's going to help warm things up a lot. That wind probably gusting to over 30 miles an hour. We go forward to Sunday. It tries to print out a shower, but I don't think so. There's not enough moisture to work with. Not much out there. Same thing on Monday. Just a lot of sunshine and a lot of heat. And I think we're dry through the weekend and into most of next week as well. Bigger picture shows Texas. It's just hot statewide. The big ridge, you can pick it out. Look how everything's going around the ridge. Stuff going this way, this way, this way, this way. And right in the middle, that's where we're sitting. And that's where the high is. And we're kind of under the influence of that high. We're on the southern edge of it, but we're under the influence of it. Most of the big moisture continues to go around it all the way through the weekend into next week. Long-range models hint at maybe a little disturbance in the Gulf by the end of next week, but at this point, no strong indication of that. It's just something to look at in the long range. As far as the tropics go, the Gulf is all quiet right now. The Caribbean, all quiet as well. There's nothing there. In the Atlantic, all the way to the coast of Africa, nothing doing. It's about as quiet as it can be for this time of year. Let's hope it stays that way for, just about 4 more months. In the Bay, winds out of the southeast 10 to 15 knots, a moderate chop. UV's extreme. There's a small craft advisory in effect because of the winds. Tides at the jetties, a high and a low for tomorrow. Seas running about 2 to 5 feet. First 105 accurate with a forecast for tonight, 80 for a low, mainly clear. Breezy, warm, southeast winds about 5 to 15. And then tomorrow, back up to 100 degrees. Sunny, breezy, humid. That wind picks up out of the southeast, 15 to 25, and a little bit gusty. Here's a look now at the next 7 days, 100, 101, 102. We hold a 102 on Tuesday. Work our way back down to about 100 by the end of the forecast period, but right now it looks like a mostly sunny and very warm forecast. That's your updated First 105 accurate with the forecast.